Big news today, if you haven't heard, the Fed cut policy rates by 0.5%. Now, this is big news because this is the first rate cut that has happened in 4 years, basically since the pandemic. So this is really good news. Now, keep in mind that the Fed does not directly control mortgage rates. So investors in mortgage-backed securities often anticipate these types of Fed decisions. And if you've noticed over the past couple of weeks, interest rates have slowly kind of been trickling down, which is a good thing. That's awesome. So, time will tell, and we'll see how much interest rates change as a result of today's news. Again, since the investors were kind of already anticipating news like this to come out, those rates we've already kind of been seeing them come down. However, I think that this 0.5% is a bit more than what was anticipated. So I'm hopeful, but I can't predict. I don't know. I am hopeful we will see a little bit more of a decrease in interest rates. But like I said, time will tell. And the Fed did indicate that they were optimistic for more rate cuts this year, but they definitely cautioned that this was going to be, very case-by-case basis, and they're going, to continue looking at the data in real time, inflationary data in real time. So we'll see, but all of this, at least in the housing industry, is starting to sound very positive. Now, why do I say this? Well, for you home buyers that have been sitting on the sidelines waiting and hoping, this is your moment. We're still at a point where, housing prices are very level right now. And, I do think it's a wonderful time if you are ready and able and have just been waiting to get into a home. This is a great time to start looking. I will caution that as we continue to see rates come down, which again, all indicators are kind of pointing towards that's probably going to be our future, we're probably going to see bidding wars come back. And that's really a supply and demand issue. Quite frankly, there's just not enough supply in Nashville, let alone the country, really, for the amount of demand that's out there for home buyers. So be prepared for that. Be prepared for, with bidding wars, the housing prices are going to start coming back up. So again, this may be a little ways away, but I just want you to think about that as you're evaluating your own situation. For sellers, this is a good thing. Again, if you're selling, chances are you probably are going to be looking for a new home to buy. So good news for you on that front. And then also good news for you if you're selling your home, because we should start to see more buyers kind of start coming out of the woodworks, coming off the sidelines to start looking at homes. So I think we're going to see a little bit more traffic, and it's gonna be a good thing, and I'm excited. So if you have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out. Now, keep in mind, I am not a loan officer. I am not a mortgage professional. I am a real estate professional. So if you do have loan-specific questions or would like to be put in contact with a mortgage professional, I'm happy to contact you. I have a few wonderful contacts in that industry and would be happy to connect you. So let me know. Have a great day.